Look at that. Trust me, you're not going to get lost. Too many paths in here. Get lost. Just remember white tree. So you guys just remember. Just signs. It's cool to walk around. Look how far we are. Holy shit. See, I told you to lead you to the thing. This is a perfect snow spot. Come on, get there. This is beautiful. Wow, you can actually do a swing here? Wow. I got to see.
Get outside, baby.
I know, but I want to do it in front of the traffic. Damn it. I have to do it over by that park.
Go for it. I'm right here.
Here. Don't film me.
Okay, I will. This is where people go back to go fishing. Beautiful back here. Go fishing. Come back here. It's so beautiful. Come back here today with the little spring thing right there. The little pickle thing. Little line thingy right there. Look at that. Somebody had to climb the tree to get that up there, yo.
You gotta keep it straight like this. And when you upload it, it'll be like that. Goddamn hot. I hate it. What the fuck is this shit? Something about RPS.
Probably when it was
flammable. Something flammable.
Yeah, you
walking. I don't know. You know what? They probably made sections here. Oh, I had to fucking sit upside down.
Huh?
I had it upside down. Yeah.
My bad, babe.
That's alright. I would just edit it and flip it upside right and
I didn't realize I had it.
Sorry. Yeah, this might be just a perfect smoke spot. Considering we're right next to the damn highway. Just make sure that you don't see any hot car on it. Nice to look y'all. I don't know how you like this song. I think this is her worst song she made. I think this is her worst song she made.
change it.
No, I'm just saying in general. I think it's just the worst song to me. This is a nice nature walk. I wonder how far would you go? How far would you go? How far would you go? Nah. I think we're really far from the,
We are, baby.
yeah, I thought so. I think this is where it stops. Yeah. Careful, thorn bushes. Yup. This is where it stops. That's weird. Pretty much there's only two ways you can go. That way and the other way. Booty, butt. See, isn't this a nice nature walk? That's a beautiful scenery. Even though there's a bunch of trees right there, it's so awesome.